Hey guys, Brandin Bryant here, and today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite skills, a skill that I've learned well into adulthood that I wish I knew earlier, and this is mindfulness. And mindfulness, just like any other tool, is something that has to be learned, taught, and practiced to be maintained. One of my favorite things, one of my favorite mindfulness tricks is to just breathe, close my eyes, and focus on my breath. That allows me to center myself back in the moment, not to think about the past, what has happened, not to think about the future, what may happen. And sometimes things that may happen don't happen, so there's no sense of worrying. So whenever you feel overwhelmed, too excited, anxious, feelings of depression, sadness, anger, close your eyes and focus on your breath. You can take a deep breath in for 5-6 seconds and let it out. This isn't something that has to be a long, drawn out activity. You don't have to meditate or breathe for 20-30 minutes. You can do it for 30 seconds. You can do 5 breaths, 10 breaths, and you'll get that effect and you'll feel it. And then eventually you'll do more and more, and it won't seem like such a chore. So remember, stay grounded, breathe, and live in the moment.